always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Our target: derive inductively the relationship of exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. We need to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex triangle. This is a triangle. We need to find the sum of the three angles. So we need to find the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. So the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180 degrees. We'll be using the formula S equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where S is the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon and n is the number of sides. So we need to find S. What is n? The number of sides of a triangle is 3. So we have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 times 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So if we have a triangle, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. We need to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex quadrilateral. So how many triangles are there in the given quadrilateral? We have two triangles. This is 180 degrees, and this is another 180 degrees. 180 plus 180 equals 360. So we know already the answer. The answer is 360 degrees. But now we will be using a formula. The formula is S equals n minus 2 times 180. What is n? N is the number of sides. How many sides are there in a quadrilateral? We have 4 sides. 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 degrees. The answer is 360 degrees. So if we have a quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex pentagon. Using one vertex, that is vertex B, we'll draw diagonals. So we have one diagonal BE, and we have another diagonal BA. So how many triangles are there? So we have 3 triangles. This is 180. This is also 180. This is also 180. So that is 3 times 180 equals 540 degrees. So we know already the answer, but now we'll be using a formula. The formula is S equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. What is n? N is the number of sides. How many sides are there? We have 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees equals 540 degrees. Therefore, what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex pentagon? So what is our answer? Our answer is S equals 540 degrees. We need to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the following convex polygon. So a hexagon, how many sides are there for a hexagon? So we have 6. Heptagon, we have 7. Octagon, we have 8. Nonagon or enneagon, we have 9 sides. Decagon, we have 10 sides. And decagon or hendecagon, we have 11 sides. And dodecagon, we have 12 sides. I am giving you 2 minutes to answer the following problem. Now we'll be answering the problem. We have a hexagon. That is 6 minus 2 times 180. What is our answer? The answer is 720 degrees. We have a heptagon. That is 7 minus 2 times 180. And that is 5 times 180. And that is 900 degrees. We have octagon. That is 8 minus 2 times 180. The answer is 1080 degrees. We have a nonagon or enneagon. That is 9 minus 2 times 180. And that is 1260 degrees. We have a decagon. That is 10 minus 2 times 180. And that is 1440 degrees. We have undecagon or hendecagon. That is 11 minus 2 times 180. And that is 1620 degrees. And we have dodecagon. And that is 12 minus 2 times 180. And that is 1800 degrees. We need to find the number of sides of the polygon given S, where S is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon. Deriving the formula, S equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So n times 180 is 180n. 2 times 180 is 360. So we have S plus 360 equals 180n. Solving for n equals S plus 360 degrees divided by 180. That is the formula in finding n. In finding the measure of an interior angle, so the formula is the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon divided by n, which is the number of sides. So given S equals 180, S is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon and the measure of each interior angle. We have formulated the formula a while ago. N is represented as S plus 360 degrees divided by 180 degrees. What is our S? S is 180 plus 360 divided by 180. 180 plus 360 is 540 degrees divided by 180 degrees. So N is 3. So we have 3 sides. If S is 180, so N is represented as 3. So if the polygon is regular, we need to find the measure of each interior angle. The formula is S. What is our S? S is 180 divided by N. What is N? The number of sides, which is 3. So 180 degrees divided by 3, the answer is 60 degrees. Given S equals 360 degrees, find the number of sides of a regular polygon and the measure of each interior angle. So we'll be using the formula. The number of sides N equals S plus 360 degrees divided by 180 degrees. What is our S? Our S is 360 plus 360, that is 720. And 720 divided by 180 is 4. So again, now we need to find the measure of each interior angle. The polygon is regular. If the polygon is regular, then this particular figure is a square. And what is the measure of each interior angle of a square? The answer is 90 degrees. Or we can make use of the formula S over N. What is our S? Our S is 360 divided by N, and our N is 4. 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90. This is also 90. This is 90. And this is also 90. Finding the measures of the exterior angle of a regular convex polygon. where m is the measure of an angle and n is the number of sides. The measure of an exterior angle is defined as 360 degrees divided by m. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular convex polygon of 3 sides. So if we have a regular polygon of 3 sides, we have an equilateral triangle. The measure of an interior angle is 60. Therefore, the measure of interior plus exterior equals 180. If this is 60 degrees, this is represented as 120 degrees. But we will be using a formula. The measure of an exterior angle equals 360 divided by n. So what is our n? We have 3 sides. So 360 degrees divided by 3. So 360 divided by 3, the answer is 120 degrees. Do not forget that the sum or the measure of an interior plus the measure of exterior equals 180 degrees because it forms a linear pair, and it forms a linear pair, the two angles are supplementary. We need to find the measure of each exterior angle of a square. We have the interior of the square is 90. Interior plus exterior equals 180. So if this is 90, the exterior is also 90. Now we'll be using a formula. The measure of an exterior angle equals 360 degrees divided by n. What is n? N is the number of sides. We have 4 sides, so n equals 4. 360 degrees divided by 4, the answer is 90 degrees. So the measure of an exterior angle of the given square is 90 degrees. Find the number of sides and the measure of interior angle of a regular convex polygon. How do we find n? The formula in finding n is s plus 360 degrees divided by 180 degrees. How do we find the measure of interior angle if the polygon is regular? So the formula is s divided by n. So we have the following answers. Kindly check your answers. So we need to find the measure of an exterior angle of a regular convex polygon. So what is the formula in finding the exterior angle of a regular convex polygon? The formula is 360 degrees divided by n, wherein n is represented as the number of sides. I am giving you time to answer the problem. So we have our answer here. I want you to check your answer. If we have a hexagon, the measure of an exterior angle is 60 degrees. For a heptagon, we have 51 and 3/7 degrees. For octagon, we have 45 degrees. Nonagon, we have 40 degrees. Decagon, we have 36 degrees. And decagon, we have 32 and 8/11 degrees. For dodecagon, we have 30 degrees. For 18gon, we have 20 degrees. For 30gon, we have 12 degrees. And for 52gon, we have 6 and 12/13 degrees. Thank you for watching.